Hello, welcome to another video, and today I'm gonna talk about atomic elements in Elementor. So what atomic elements are? Atomic elements are a new version of elements in Elementor plugin to make your website performance better, and you will be able to manage your website pages, design your website pages in Elementor better. So you will manage your web pages better with Atomic Elementor. Let's see what's Atomic Elementor new widgets. Okay, let's see. Here on my website, I'm going to install my Elementor plugin on my website. So I'm gonna go to plugins, add plugin, and I will search for Elementor here to install Elementor plugin on my WordPress website. So and the point is, the new elements are usable also in free version of Elementor plugin. So if you are using Elementor Pro or Elementor free version, you can use Elementor atomic elements. But I think there was two models of elements. The first model was the simple elements, as title, image, SVG, and the simple elements that every website will use, or free or included in free version. But if you want to make your forms with Elementor and atomic elements in Elementor, you have to buy Pro version of Elementor. But I don't recommend you to buy Pro version because you have many other plugins as WP Forms, the Contact Forms 7, and a lot of plugins to build your website forms. So you don't need to buy Elementor Pro version just to build your website forms. Here I'm checking, is Elementor plugin installed on my website or not? If not, I can go to wordpress.org/plugins/Elementor, and we can download Elementor from here. So I'm gonna download it from here, and then I will go to upload plugin, and I will choose my downloaded plugin here. Yeah, and install now. Yeah, it's installed, and I will go to activate my plugin on my website. After that, you have to install a WordPress theme, template that supports Elementor. And then we can skip Elementor installation wizard. And then I will go to my WordPress admin. And then I can go to, for example, pages, add page, and then I can enter my title for my web page, for example, home, and then publish my page. After that, you can go to edit with Elementor section to edit your created page with Elementor. And from here, you can see new atomic elements. I'm gonna compare one atomic element with a simple old Elementor element here. So I'm gonna add, for example, heading to my page, and then I will go to add element section, and in basic elements I will add a heading title which is old Elementor element, and I will publish my page. Then view page, and we can compare these two elements together. So right click, inspect, and I will inspect this element, and what I see is fantastic. Here, for this old element, Elementor created 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, no, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 DIVs into each other. This is depth of our elements, which is using our system RAM to show these 4 elements inside each other and finally show me this one in my browser. So it's using my system. It's actually it's not a element with a good performance to be run, to be deployed on my system. Yeah, you know what I mean. So I'm going to compare it with the new atomic elements. If you see atomic elements here, we have 1, 2 elements inside each other. So number 1, source code of my website will be much simpler than the old elements that we was using. Actually, we were using on our websites. Yeah. So if we use atomic elements on our website, performance of our website will be much better, and we will get better scores on Google Page Speed Test or Google Page Speed Insights or Google Core Web Vitals section in your Google Search Console. So our website performance will be much better if we use new atomic elements. Number 2, I'm going to delete the old elements and then I'm gonna edit this new element, and what you see here is a new panel for edit your elements. Then I'm going, for example, to style. I will see much more options here. For example, text color, and I can change it from here. It's much better than the old elements in Elementor. Another point is I can use different colors in responsive mobile version and my desktop. So I've used purple color for my desktop, and I'm gonna go to mobile version of my website, and you can see this title is red in my mobile version and it's purple in my desktop version. So it's much different, and I can have many different metadatas, different options, different look on my desktop website version and also my mobile version. So it's much different than the old elements in Elementor. Yeah, that's why Elementor published new version of elements. But maybe you have one question in your mind, and your question is, why Elementor is not using a migration system to upgrade old elements to the new one? Why they have published a new version and a new section in Elementor to build websites, to build web pages with atomic elements? The answer to this question is because more than many thousands of dozens of thousands of or million websites are using Elementor right now, and maybe they don't want to use atomic Elementor. They don't know how to manage their elements with new version of Elementor. They don't they had a lot of web pages with Elementor, and maybe this migration will not work for some websites. That's why they have built a new section named Atomic Elements. So as a webmaster, as a web designer, you can go to your web pages and convert your old elements to the new elements. That's why Elementor did not directly upgraded old elements to the new elements. Yeah, and you can use it to migrate your websites and make a better performance for your website. That's why. Yeah, that's why we did not build we did not redesign our Mihan panel plugin, which is a user login and registration plugin for WordPress panel, directly to the new version. We have built a new template for your user panel, and we have added an option in plugins setting, Mihan panel plugin setting, for you to choose a new template, the new template for your website. Yeah, that's why. Because a lot of websites are using these plugins, and we as plugin developers have to have your back. You don't have to do something that's makes your websites broken. Yeah, that's why Elementor and Ertano teams are not making these huge edits on your websites by an upgrade. We will make a new option for you to be able to upgrade your website by yourself and have a stable website. Yeah. Have a good day and see you in another video.